Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. You're watching Microsoft Office Excel 2007 tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use goal seek function with PMT formula which used in EMI calculations in Microsoft Office Excel 2007. In my previous tutorial, we have seen how to calculate EMI using PMT formula including present value, interest rate and number of years. But if you want to find the price amount by fixing specific EMI amount and using the same interest rate and number of years, for this Excel offering an important function called goal seek in PMT formula. In previous tutorial we have calculated an EMI amount for a car which is beyond my expectation. So I want to find the car price with an EMI amount that I can afford. For this, come to data menu, click the arrow next to what if analysis. In this, please select the option goal seek. In goal seek window, come to set cell field. Here please select the cell with EMI. In to value, enter the EMI amount that we can afford, 13,500, and then by changing cell, select the cell in which you want to find out the amount. I'm selecting price cell, click OK. Then it will show the price with respect to the EMI amount that we entered. With this we can plan to buy a car with the price showing here for same interest rate and number of periods. Again, let's find the loan amount. For another EMI, come to data menu, select what if analysis. In this, please select goal seek. In set cell, select the EMI cell. In to value, enter the EMI amount. And in by changing cell, select the loan amount cell. Click OK. Then it will show the loan amount for a EMI that we have entered. Like this, we can use goal seek function with the PMT formula in Microsoft Office Excel 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.